Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best wood chisel sets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wood chisel sets that are available on the market. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the KSEIBI 312130 Premium Wood Chisel Set. This 4 set of wood chisels comes in 6mm, 13mm, 19mm, and 25mm. It allows the professional and novice woodworkers to do an excellent job with the amazing features that characterize the chisel. The blades are bevel-edged, which gives superb clearance when chiseling into any angle, such as reducing side friction in tight recess work. It can conveniently handle softwood, hardwood, and laminated wood. The blades are made of chrome, manganese steel, which has been perfectly fine-grained. Each of the various chisels is sharpened and can be used on bringing them off the blister. The handle is designed with polypropylene handle with TPR additions. This improves the ergonomics and gives a comfortable and firm grip while using. Also, the end cap is made from heavy-duty metal, which can withstand heavy metal striking. Moving on at number 4. We have the Marketty 12-piece Chisel Kit. You might think you're getting a deal given the price of the Marketty 12-piece $8,573,330 relative to the number of chisels that you're getting. But, like many deals that seem too good to be true, this one also falls short of the mark. It does include a carrying case, which isn't the nicest one on the market, but it's better than getting nothing. The manufacturer also claims that these chisels come pre-sharpened. However, several problems interfere with this claim. Many people report getting a set that wasn't properly honed in the factory, which means you'll have to go back and sharpen them before using them yourself. They're also made of inferior metal that tends to be too soft. That means they easily chip and that they don't hold an edge well for very long. And then there are their short handles, which make them harder to use and lowers your overall accuracy. Ultimately, this will be a frustrating set of chisels, and you're probably better off investing your money in a better set. At number 3, we have the NEREX 4% Wood Chisel Set 863,010. The NEREX 4% Set 863,010 is a fascinating set given its high-quality chisels. They're made from chrome manganese steel, which isn't the hardest steel alloy you can find, but still does a remarkably good job of holding an edge. And while the manufacturer warns that you'll need to sharpen the chisels yourself before use, you'll find that these come with an excellent edge already most of the time. There's no guarantee that will be the case, but it's always nice when there's a chance a tool will be better than advertised right out of the box. These chisels feature an all-wooden handle, but they're tanged near their end, which makes these chisels safe for use with a hammer or wooden mallet. The only substantial knock against this set is that it doesn't come with a storage case. You're still getting a good price overall, but the value could be a bit better. If the manufacturer included a case or lowered the price a bit, this set would rise on our list. Overall, these are great chisels, even if you can't quite get them at a fantastic price. At number 2, we have the Stanley 16-401 Bailey Woodworking Chisel Set. The Stanley 16-401 Bailey Chisel Set 5 could have been first on our list if it were not for the previous entry. Unlike the first model, it comes with pre-sharpened blades right out of the box, which means you can get to work right away. These blades also come lacquered, which keeps them safe during transport and helps them resist corrosion. Some people like this feature, while others will wash the lacquer off immediately. It also comes with a high-quality leather sheath, which isn't a fully protective case but does a decent job of keeping the chisels safe. The big problem with these chisels is that they'll need frequent sharpening, and they don't come with the tools you'll need to sharpen them. This set is also expensive for a set with just 5 chisels. That makes it underwhelming. While you're getting good quality, you're not quite getting what you should at that price point. Overall, this is a good set of chisels, but the price and the constant sharpening mean they can't quite edge out our first place set and fall to second on our list. And finally at number 1. We have the VonHaus 10% Wood Chisel Set. The VonHaus 10% Premium Craftsman Set is a great deal for the serious woodworker who wants great tools that can be had for a great price, too. These chisels are made from a heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, which gives them fantastic strength, helps them hold their edge for longer, and means they'll last a long time. They come with rubberized grips, which make them easy to hold, though they have a metal strike cap on the end which makes them suitable for hammering. You also get a high-quality wooden case, which looks great, something that can't be said about most tool cases. The real gem in this set is the honing guide and sharpening stone. You'll be able to get the perfect bevel every time with the blade guide, and the included sharpening stone makes it a fast and easy process. The only real downside to this set is that you have to sharpen the chisels yourself. However, you might find it fun. It would be hard to place this set any lower than first on our list given its tremendous upside and the fact that you can get it for a great price, too. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.